Hello everybody, I'm Luis and let's talk about unit tests for Revit. And in this video, I'm gonna update this sample project to work with Revit 24 and 25. Yeah, so let's go. I'm gonna put the link of this project in the description and let's start. By default, at least in this version, let's change to 24 here. 24. Yep. Let's build this, and if I go right clicking here and where is it? Show. Yep. This showing that fails. That's a little strange. That's our old version. No worry. I'm gonna run all the tests and let's see. By default, gonna install the plugin in my Revit and gonna try to open my Revit 24. This is the default behavior, and gonna open a new Revit. If you have a Revit open, at least the default gonna use that Revit, that process open, and I'm gonna install the plugin in there to connect with my Visual Studio and the test, and gonna run the test inside Revit, and gonna show in here in my Visual Studio. Yep, that's the idea. And gonna run each test. Great. So that's, yeah, this should there is lower, but yeah, is running and everything passed. Doesn't have any actual testing here, just to show how the framework works and some samples. So yeah, let's update this project to work with Revit 25. Yeah, there is a missing key in this, but let's open browser. Yep, that I need to copy some stuff. Okay, let's go. First, I'm gonna update this, actually, not this one, to get two frameworks at the same time. So let's do something like this, net 8.0. I'm not sure if it needs to be Windows maybe. Something like this. I'm gonna reload this. And I need to change this one because I'm using two frameworks. So let's change this to true. And now I need to make sure that I'm selecting the right version. Yes. Okay. I can delete. Download, reload, access deny. Great. Let's close this, open again. Something strange will happen, but let's see. Yeah, I guess I changed something by mistake. Or not. Reload. Yeah, great. Okay, let's remove this. I don't need this anymore. Yep, I'm gonna add, where is my stuff that I need? I'm gonna add this one. Actually, let's remove this and copy this one. Yep. I'm gonna, I don't need that, and I don't need this. Yep. So for version net 4.8, I'm gonna use this version. Let's change to 24. I actually don't need this too. Yeah, I could change this to net 4 at least. So by default, I'm using net framework, gonna use version 24, and net core gonna use version 25 for Revit. So if I build this, I have two versions in here, in two DLLs, great. And if I go in my tests, is my tests. Why did not open? Show. Yep. Okay, let's open this. If I build this, yeah, let's minimize this. If I run this, should run in the same Revit that is already open. So probably gonna be kind of fast. So yeah, it's already running. And by the way, if I go, I'm not sure if I'm gonna show, but here is the plugin that is installed. And if I click here, should open this and show some of the tests. So yeah, and let's run against just to show. When it's running, should update the icon. So yeah, that's working. Great. And yeah, that's it. So let's run for the version 20. That's interesting. Yeah. If I try to run this, should fail because I forget to add one thing. That's probably is the main problem with version 25, I guess, with that core. Yeah, maybe that the version matters. Yeah. So I need to add this package, the Microsoft Net Test SDK. Let's use this version first and see. Already built. Let's rebuild this just to make sure. Yeah, kind of works, but the Windows is missing. I have some errors after that, but yeah, if I try to run this, let's see if it works. In this exact moment, it should work. Probably just open my Revit right now. Oh, let's wait. Yeah, it's opening. Where's my Revit? Yeah, this is version 25. And should be running. Yes, great. It's running right now. Great. Yeah, everything should pass. Did not change anything in the code. But yeah, one thing that I know that's a problem with this, I'm gonna test right now if it is this specific version. If I let's rebuild this project, yeah, this gonna lose the reference. Pretty sure, yeah, you got that. So maybe is something related to this. Let's try the new one. Not sure what version is this. Maybe, probably. Let's rebuild this to make sure. Yeah, no, something is wrong with my discovery option. Let's add that log just to have some fun here. That's gonna be annoying. That's two logs at the same time. But yeah, the discovery is working. But yeah, something strange is happening in the net core at least. I need to figure out. Yeah, probably gonna update for the version, for the next version. But yeah, if I inject a new test in here just to show what could be the issue. Yeah, let's save this. Yeah, this is the new test. No, why did this not catch this one? Yeah, you can see this one. Yeah, that's a problem. Yeah, I have this one, and this is. So if I try to run this, what's gonna happen? Actually, the test runs in there, but lose the reference. Yeah, actually appearing here. That's kind of strange. Yeah. Yeah, I need to fix that. Anyway, that's it for this video. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. And yeah, I build this. Yeah, this issue only happens when you are using Visual Studio or this Test Explorer. But if you build the project and the rerun should work fine. And let's just test my automation if everything's working. Gonna take a while because when I'm in release modes, I'm forcing to open and close Revit. So yeah, I don't need this. I need to update to 8 this one as well. And yeah, should be running. Yeah, running the net framework first. Gonna open a new version of Revit. I should not. Yeah, is this one? And should close in the end. Let's make some change. I don't have the version here. Oh no. Let's add in here. Group. Version 0.0.1. Yeah, good enough. Now it's running the net core. Should open Revit. And okay. Let's go in the change log. Yep. Let's add version 1.0.1. Yep. 24, 16. Yeah, that makes sense. I did that. And yeah, I think that's great. Update project to net framework and net core. Yeah, something like that's good enough for me. Yeah, 1.0.1. Great. And guess that's it. Great, that's it for this video. Everything should work. If I find out what's the problem with this Discover, I probably gonna update for version 1.3.2. Yeah, gonna update for a new version here to fix that. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and you want to know more information about this project, you can go in the GitHub that I'm gonna put in the description. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share. And this is a project. Yeah, you can like that. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.